A grinding noise from your dryer is often caused by a faulty blower wheel or worn drum glides. To address this issue, start by checking the blower wheel. Unplug the dryer. Remove the top and front panels, and take out the drum to access the wheel. Turn the blower wheel and listen for any grinding noises. If necessary, replace the old wheel with a new one, ensuring it is properly aligned and secured with mounting nuts. Reattach the drum, front and top panels, and restore power to the dryer to see if the problem persists. If the issue is with the drum glides, unplug the dryer, detach the top and front panels, and pry off the old glides, usually located near the drum. Though it's a good idea to consult the manual for your specific model. Install the replacement parts and reattach the front and top panels. Once you've completed these steps and restored power to the dryer, the grinding noise should be resolved.